What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Project OBS. This is part deuce of the 5.3 build for the OBS truck. We left off the motor like this pretty much. Pulled the heads. Everything has been cleaned. It's all in this bin. So the heads are down at the bottom onto the machine shop. We cleaned off the valve covers. Sorry, oil pan been cleaned off. The valley cover also has been cleaned off. So now we're gonna pull this balancer off. Now, went to Harbor Freight, bought this little cheap freaking puller. That thing ain't working. So what you guys need to get is this. This is Evertough Chrysler harmonic balance puller, basically. Part number 67005. I got that one from O'Reilly. It was $82, but if you have time to wait, you can buy the same one for $35 on Amazon. There's a bird in the garage. Anyways, so we're going to attempt to pull this balancer off, get this cam out, look at these cam bearings today. And then after that, that'll probably be it for a while. So, short video. I'll probably pull lifters out also too while I'm there. And I'm gonna leave the lower end done, assembled. Take it to the machine shop. If they have to resize, I'm gonna have them put new piston rings in it. But if you look in here, we got pretty good cylinder walls. I mean, you know, it's doing pretty good actually. So let's pull this balancer off. I gotta get the tool, everything straight, set up for it first, and then we'll pull this cam out with the oil pump. And look at this timing chain. That's what I want to see. Bad timing chain. I want to see how loose it is. But it doesn't matter to me. I'm getting it anyway. But still, I want to see how it is. So anyway, let me get this off and set up and everything, and I'll bring you back in a second. All right. So you got it set up. You guys know the LS motors, or some of the 5, they have these little tabs right here. Well, I couldn't use the tabs because of the way the tool is made. So let's see if this works. Okay, maybe not. All right. All right, so I got the puller on there. It's pretty tight. So let's see if it'll pop it off. Let's see. And there she goes, boys and girls. There she blows. I think it's pretty heavy, actually. So now we get to get a better look at this timing chain. So let's get these. I think these are 10mm bolts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 bolts, or 8 bolts actually. So let's get this front seal off, and then look at the timing chain, and pull the cam, and look at the bearings. All right, so we got the timing cover loose. 8 bolts, 10mm, and we're gonna pop this off and see what it looked like in here. No surprises really. So let's check. That's gonna fall. So let's just pick this back up. Okay, that was not part of the plan. So let's. Oh yeah, she's a little loosey goosey. She's loosey goosey. All right, so let's pop this oil pump. 10mm. So remember not to mix up your timing cover bolts with your oil pump bolts. They're probably the same length, but I don't know really. This is my first time doing this, so they're the same length. And the oil pump might fall off actually if I do it like this. Now this truck had an oil leak. Sorry for the camera angle, I'm trying to do this with one hand. It had an oil leak. Like, I'm not sure if it was just from the oil pan or was it from the rear main seal. I wasn't really sure. There's a lot of oil on the side of the motor and up top. It could have been dirty from over the years, I guess, also too. So we gonna see. And this should just come off the keyway like that, and it did. Okay. Oh yeah, she's definitely got some play in it. Yeah. All right, so you got your 3 cam bolts. There's a 10 also. I just want to pull this cam and see what these bearings look like. Put these here. So when I pull this cam out, I will bring you guys back when I pull the cam. All right, I forgot about this part. So these 2 holes, you could put like rods through here to hold the lifters up. I don't have those rods, so I gotta figure something out. So let's see. Let me get the cam out and then I'll come back.
20 minutes later.
You tired now, Bentley? All right, guys, so we pulled the cam out. And cam bearings, if you can see, that's the copper it's down to. So it will be getting new cam bearings. Yep. There she is, stock. This is LM7 5348 cam. Anybody needs one, I got one. You gotta be in Sacramento area though. I'm gonna set that down there. So that's as far as I'm going to today. I might pull the lifters out maybe, I don't know yet. I have not done my cam shopping yet. I'm looking at a Texas speed cam, most likely. Do not know what stage. I might do stage 3 or 4. I don't know yet. I'm not 100% sure. But this block is going to go to the machine shop. After seeing the cam bearings, it's going to the machine shop. I'm gonna have them put new cam bearings in. So new cam bearings, have them clean it and everything, and probably put a hone on it, maybe on the cylinders. Let me see if I can get this for you guys. I got it out in the sunlight now. So it still has some crosshatch in it, but probably have them hone it, ball hone it, and clean the pistons up, the piston rings on it, and call it a day. So that's what's gonna be next. I'm gonna wrap this up for the time being. I gotta make a shopping list now. Dude, sunbathing. Make a shopping list now. I know you probably can't see me because the sun's outside. It's freaking hot. Make a shopping list of what I need. So order my cam. I'm sure it's gonna come with new lifters and push rods and everything. I'm sure it is. Gotta call my homeboy Brendan over at BRB Auto Vlogs. Check his channel out also too. He's got a 13 crew cab Silverado he's doing. He just dropped it, threw some wheels on it. The video for it hasn't dropped yet, but check him out also. Cool dude. He's the cam guy I'm gonna go through. He knows all the specs and everything. So read that shit. So we'll go from there. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching, subscribing.
Wait a minute, what the hell?